Hey friends!
Hey guys.
I'm Nicky.
I'm G.
I'm Thomas.
And we are going on an adventure today. This is not our normal video, this is a Tom adventure video. Where are we going, Tom?
We go to Blessington and we go to Wicklow Mountains.
And we're with Tom, so we might end up at a few other places because he likes adventure. So watch this video to see lots of nice stuff.
Yeah.
Oh wait! And this is my llama I got from Tom. Isn't it cute? Yeah.
Set me free, let me fly, let me find new kinds of highs. We're just wasting here, waiting for another year. We both know the score, we've been here once before.
Hi everybody!
Hello,
Please introduce yourself to our people.
so my name is Janusz. Greetings for everybody.
Yeah, you've also got a YouTube channel, don't you?
Yeah,
We'll leave a link of his YouTube channel in the description, so go check it out. He does amazing drone footage.
thank
Make
you
sure
very
you-
much. Thank you. Thanks. Bye.
So many words unspoken, you took my heart, it's already broken. You don't have to wait, I can take the pain. I will surrender, let me go on a new adventure. On a new adventure. On a new adventure. On a new adventure. Let me go, it's my time. Watch me build another life. Find another space, explore the world and find my place. Hope you find some peace of mind. Hope the night was worth your time. Threw my heart away, we won't see another day. We both know the score, we've been here once before. So many words unspoken.
Okay, so this is not something we expected to see today.
No.
So it's a bonus. We're going to see some air gliders launching, and
Yes.
that is way cool.
Yeah, we've never seen a glider before, so
Yeah.
really cool.
It's already broken. You don't have to wait. I can take the pain. I will surrender. Let me go. It's a new adventure. On a new adventure. You'll find me dancing on my own. Nowhere to be, nowhere to go. In the rhythm, I don't think of you. Don't call me up when you're feeling blue. You'll find me dancing on my own. Nowhere to be, nowhere to go. In the rhythm, I don't think of you. Let me go. It's a new adventure. It's a new adventure. I will surrender. On a new adventure. I will surrender. Let me go on a new adventure.
Well, while the boys are playing with their toys, I'm gonna explore in the woods. I hope I don't get lost and they have to send a rescue party for me, but I'm sure G will come and look for me. I hope. See you soon.
Started as a whisper, message from a new world I'd never known. Something about it felt like it'd been waiting my whole life. Is this home? I can hear each sound calling my name, and I feel angels around when
The rest of the gang just showed up.
Alright lads.
We got it fixed, look.
Seen it.
We got the car fixed.
How are you, friend?
How are you, pal?
J and S.
Nothing.
Yeah.
Nice to see you.
Hi Matty, how are you? Of the gang. Sorry.
How are you guys?
Do that again.
I can't help but think that it's meant to be, that I'm finally right where I'm supposed to. If I let you into the secret, would you listen? I can hear each sound calling my name, and I feel angels around when I start to sing, and suddenly it feels like heaven is not so far away. Tell me, can you hear the symphony?
It's raining. We can't fly. We can't barbecue. Waiting now.
And before too long, I found where I belong. I can hear it, I can hear it, oh, I can't stop the rush. Every note I touch, I can feel it saving me. Tell me, can you hear this?
Now guys, we're going to be having a bit of mackerel for dinner. We're going to have a bit of a barbecue when we're out doing our drone footage, okay? So I think I'll be the cook today because I don't trust anyone else. But we're going to put a bit of salt and lemon on them, but I'll have to gut them first, okay? So hope you enjoy, because I'm going to enjoy eating this.
I say we have a cook-off.
So guys, as you can see, we're making our dinner here now. Lovely fish. This is mackerel. And I'm at the gutting it. There's all the fish there.
We're going to feed that to the seagulls. Then sell the seagulls to the Chinese.
You came with a warning. I should have seen it. My bad for falling. I'm far from perfect, but I know what my worth is. More than you're giving. What goes up comes back down. What goes out comes around. You're so dumb to like this. You already like this. What goes up comes back down. And your day will come around. I don't wanna fix this. You already like this. Forget. What goes up comes back down. What goes out comes around. What goes up comes back down, and your day will come around.
So Fran made us a lovely dinner with fresh mackerel. It was delicious. Thank you, Fran.
No problem at all.
If you guys don't know Fran yet, his channel's name is...
Fran Duncan Drone Productions.
Yeah, go check out his footage. It's amazing. You won't be sorry. And next up... Let me come sit here by you. Sorry. This is Matty. What is your channel's name?
Matthew GILROY, Drone Adventures.
Also, awesome drone footage. Go check out his channel and subscribe. You won't be sorry.
Thanks, guys.
In the year 432, St. Patrick's and a few fellow monks attempted to land on this beach here. I don't know if you guys feel the same, but to me a beach is not a beach if there's no sand. There's pebbles everywhere, so how can you lie in the beach and suntan if there's no sand? You don't, because it's gonna hurt your bum.
What goes up, comes back down. What goes out, comes around. You're so dumb, reckless. You already wrecked this. What goes out